Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Kalal from group 317. Here are the some topic chemical foundation of biophysics. First one, the chemistry of biology. Here we start the living cell and the living organism are the complex chemical machines. The chemical transformation of substance that are supplied from outside world and to the flow of the substance into the surrounding due to metabolism. No physical method alone would be have been able to establish the structure of complex molecule with the chemical investigation. The chemistry of life or organic chemistry are originally remote from inorganic chemistry, not directly support. It has believed to be a reliable support of vitalism. Central scientists come to the learn how the synthesis organic substance from non-living matter. Here was the first experiment was the synthesis of urea. Here is the chemical formula CONS2 2 by the Frederick Waller in the 1828. A science concerned with the structure and the properties of the biological molecule with the a science concerned with the structure and the properties of the biological molecule with the progress of chemical reaction in the living organism. Here let us note the main specific feature of the chemistry of living matter and the chemistry of biomolecule. A living system is a necessary chemical heterogeneous. It is the pointless to speak of living molecule or biological molecule taken separately cannot be living matter is characterized by the unity of chemical structure, the main substance of chemical mechanism at the sum in all living things. All protein are built up of 20 amino acids residue and all nucleic acid are 4 nucleotide. The sum atomic structure appear in all living organism. The structure and the properties of the living cell and organism are dedicated to the final analysis by the nucleic acid like DNA and RNA, which have a legislative power in the sense that they specify the genetic program of the protein synthesis. Biochemical process and the biological molecule are the result of the evolutionary department. The specific and the organism are the characterized by the biochemical molecular adaptation to the environmental condition. Here the human body contain in the atomic present as follow. Here the human body contain hydrogen 60%, oxygen 25%, carbon 10%, and some microorganisms like nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus like 2%, 0%, and some the smaller amount of ferrous, zinc, copper also are present. Here the second topic is amino acid. All protein are built up of 20 types of amino acid. Residue a number of amino acid that are not contained in protein participate in the metabolism. The family stage of chemical evolution about 4 into 10 to the power 9 years ago. The simpler amino acid are also encountered in the meteorites. Protein contain the residue of alpha amino acid which have the structure. Here the structure, and here R is the radical, a hydrogen radical or a radical that contain a part from carbon or hydrogen or other atom like oxygen, sulfur and nitrogen. As we have shown by a study of the electrical properties of amino acid, here see structure 2.3, there a structure expressed more exactly by the formula of dipolar zwitterion. Here the carbon compound and hydrogen and amino acid. The formation of a protein or polypeptide chain occur by the way of polycondensation of the amino acid. Here are the some common amino acid. First, the neutral amino acid. Here the name of amino acid. Here first third letter. Here single letter and R group. Here glycine have a third letter GLY, single letter G, and R group is H. Here some are also, and after like valine has a VAL, other one letter V, and here CH3 compound. Here second is the acidic amino acid in the form of anion. Acidic acid just aspartic acid, glutamic acid, tyrosine acid. Here are the first three letter ASP, GLU and TR. The first compound D, E and Y. And here are the chemical structure. Here are the basic amino acid in the form of cation, like first histidine, lysine, arginine. Histidine has HIS, lysine has LYS, and arginine has HRA. Here arginine and lysine are make histone protein in the DNA, which help it. Here proline is not an amino acid. It is an amino acid which contain an amino group NH instead of amino group NH2. Here there's some classification, like amino acid can be classified into several categories, like essential amino acid which they cannot be synthesized by the body or must be obtained from the diet. Example like leucine, lysine and valine. Here are non-essential amino acid. These can be synthesized by the body, like alanine, glutamine or serine. Here are conditionally essential amino acid. They are usually non-essential amino acid, but they may become essential under certain conditions, like if we have a fever or like any stress. Here are the example of conditionally amino acid: arginine, cysteine, which are formed in the when we are ill or we have in stress condition. Here are the some function of amino acid, like protein synthesis. Amino acid link together via peptide bond and to form a protein. Here are enzyme activity, like many enzyme are protein that catalyze and biochemical reaction are proceed. In hormone production, some amino acid are proceed to hormone like tryptophase and is a procedure of serotonin. Here a neurotransmitter function. Amino acid like glutamate and glycine act as a neurotransmitter in the various nervous system. Here how metabolize of the amino acid. Amino acid can be metabolized for energy converted in other compound or used in the synthesis of neurotransmitter, hormone and other biochemical. Here are the dietary source from which we can get the amino acids. Like amino acids are found in various food sources, like particularly meat, fish, poultry, dairy product, legumes, beans, nuts and etc. Thank you.